U.S. Synthetic's mission has been one of always helping the customer. In their mission statement, this is shown by what drives them. As you can see, committed to customer success, they do this by demonstrating excellence in many different ways. A few of these ways are: 1, customizing engineering, having the latest technology, delivering on time and making sure that their quality is the best, and customer service. The vision statement was, on the other hand, about the day-to-day and where they see themselves. Day in and day out, they wish to improve their processes. This has been shown by their attachment to lean and how they plan to always better themselves. The ability to also enable and empower their employees to change. During a lean exercise, you want to be able to allow changes to happen on the go, and they don't need to be from the top. But if a coworker or another worker sees a change that could be fixed on the floor, they are given the power to do that. Lastly, do whatever it takes to approach for the customers and customer service. Basically saying that whatever we can get the customers to do, this is what they will do. The location is in Orem, Utah at 1260 1600 West, and on the outskirts near other businesses of that sort.
U.S. Synthetics products are drill bits, inserts, bearings, mining, underground mining tools, Suncrest diamonds, natural diamonds color, and a diamond analytics, which are testing tools for chemical slabs. Nearly all U.S. Synthetics fixed cutter inserts are designed and manufactured to meet specific project requirements, and they range in size from 5 mm to 25 mm. Also, U.S. Synthetics is able to design and manufacture bit inserts that meet virtually any size or any shape requirements, including conicals and chisels. The Suncrest process replicates the geological that occur in the earth to expose the true nature of each diamond, thus finishing the process of the earth began.
U.S. Synthetic is 30-year industry veteran and a leader in the development and production of diamond cutters for oil and gas exploration. U.S. Synthetic prides itself on an uncompromising commitment to constant innovation, outstanding quality, and superior customer service, allowing their engineering team to meet high-performance standards and match the requirements of the world's most demanding oil exploration and development projects. Customers and customer values. Customers, it's Morgan Jewelers, Park City Jewelers, Saratoga Jewelry Corporation, Mitsubishi Material, Los Alamos National, and others. And values includes high-performance product that will hold up under extreme conditions, constant innovations, outstanding quality, speed, relationship.
U.S. Synthetic is constantly improving their lean production model, looking for muda or waste, and improving the efficiency of their production process. One major example, and perhaps the foundation or starting point of their lean journey, was the implementation of work cells. Rather than working in giant batches and having their processes segregated, creating huge amounts of work in process, they instead shifted their production model into work cells. Now every machine needed to start a process, work on, and finish could be found in one work cell area. This prevented the major line shutdowns, halting the flow of product, allowed for less work in progress, allowed workers to know a product from start to finish, and drastically improved the cycle time for their products. After adopting cells and implementing a starting point for lean production, U.S. Synthetic continued to adopt and create lean principles in their workplace. Great examples include cheap solutions to process problems, such as heating belts similar to mood rings that helped identify hot products, and homemade drill bits that drastically improved the setup times in parts of the work cell. US Synthetic, most importantly, has adopted a culture of constant improvement and lean thinking, allowing workers and management to be fully invested and creative in the world of production improvement.